Well, I got the RD battery charged up. At least one thing's going right here. It's that magic time of day. Magic time. Time to go two-stroking it up. And it's supposed to warm up to 50 degrees this afternoon. We had such the day yesterday, oh my God, was it cold. So I am really looking forward to a little bit warmer temperatures today. And we had quite a few nice rides on the GS in the last couple of weeks. We actually had some really warm days that were above 50, but I don't think it's going to go above 50 today. And after yesterday, it may not even go to 50. But whatever it is, when you live in this part of the world, you take what you can get. You know, that's the whole bottom line here, and we're trying to take advantage of whatever nature sends our way. But we did get some good rides on this guy. We got a center stand on both of these bikes now, so maintenance is a little bit easier from time to time. And we really, the bottom line here is we try never to miss a riding day. You know, when we'd be flying model planes, we'd always be conscious of the weather. And the saying was you never wanted to miss a flying day. Well, when you own a collection of motorcycles, you never want to miss a riding day. And Karen has some kind of a saying that, I'm not sure what it is, but if you have lemons, you make lemonade. Well, if you have New Jersey weather and the coronavirus, you try to get as many rides as you can in, and don't be a baby. And it doesn't really matter. In my case, it doesn't matter what bike I ride. I like to ride them all, of course, and I like to ride and swap them out as often as possible. Every one of these is just a little bit different, a little bit unique, a little bit, and I try to change them up by making evil twins out of all of them. So they sound a little different, they ride a little different, and actually they are a little different. Pretty much anytime I can. So to me it's like having more bikes than I really have. Evil twins. Maybe they should be known as evil fish. Come on, boys. Coffee time. I wish these fish would drink coffee. Before I go in for coffee, I like to look at how she's planted her tomato plants. We got tomatoes planted there. We got zinnias. We got marigolds. I don't even know what's on. She's got all her lettuce in. And there's more, of course, more pots to plant. So it never ends. But we are having a ton of fun. I'm telling you, you just couldn't have more fun than we're having this summer with this garden. And I hope you don't mind us sharing it with you. And there's more flowers going in later today or tomorrow, and there's more tomatoes over here and more tomatoes over here. And if you look over by the garden hose, over by my dedicated what used to be a painting table all winter, well, there's more tomatoes over there too. So it's going to be a wonderful summer. All that's left is to get this baby pre-flighted up, check the air in the tires, and one extra cup of coffee, and she'll be ready to go. Some of our zinnias have actually gotten so big, they're ready to put, this one's ready to put in the ground right there. And boy, Karen loves, this is just, she's really gotten into this. And we always have to thank Nanda Navola. Every one of these plants, every time I deal with them, I think of Nanda. And sadly, she's down in Atlanta, so Nanda, we just want to say thank you. And what could be better than a cup of coffee here? And I always love this. You look out the kitchen window, and look what's out there. Wow. Coffee and an RD400. What a way to start the day.
looks like it's turning out to be a beautiful day. The sky is still blue, no chance of rain, and it is warming up a little bit. Now we're back from a really, really spectacular ride. Wow, look at the skies. Almost not a cloud. Maybe there is a cloud in the sky somewhere. What a day this turned out to be. Absolutely beautiful. The only thing spoiled the whole day was there's wind blowing and it takes the sound. Sometimes gets distorted on the camera, but
now you may hear in the background MotoGP going on over at Rutt's Hut. As I came back with the bike, and of course I was done shooting footage by then, well, the guys just go up and down Route 21. If you ever want to see crazy kids, unbelievable. Not highly skilled riders like in the 18. Anyway, it's all beside the point anyway. If you enjoy that, great. Have a hot dog at Rutt's Hut and go get a speeding ticket. But here's a cool thing. It was a wonderful day today to get a ride in. We really, it's going to rain the next couple of days, so I'm so happy I got this ride in. And I come home and the first thing Karen comes out to the garage and she said, listen to these bikes. And she says, would you like a cup of coffee? Holy mackerel. What a question. Anyway, we really had a good day. Hope you enjoyed sharing it with us. Thank you to all the people that are working through this virus, the healthcare heroes. Can't thank them enough. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thanks for watching.